where you are.
All right, good morning, Michelle. We are at Roysambu Primary School here at Zimmerman. But before I can even give you details of what is happening here, just very quick, apart from Zimmerman where we were, early in the morning we went to the likes of Githurai and another school known as Kimbo Primary School. There were no signs whatsoever of any voting happening. We talked to the residents around the area, even the watchman, they are unaware. There were no tents that were being put up. We also went behind Thika Road Mall where we thought we'd find a polling station, but it was just an empty field. We also went to the Kimbo Primary School I was telling you earlier about, and the watchman within that school told us he had no idea that even voting was supposed to take place. So right now, as we speak, we are at Zimmerman polling station, and one of the people that is currently here is the MCA, the running MCA for under the ODM ticket, and his name is Timothy Liwani. Karibu sana. Thank you for making time to talk to KTN News. Yes. First of all, talk to me about how confident are you in this election?
Yeah. I think it's clear. This is a competition, and you know we are running on different political parties, so everyone is trying to lay a ground and make sure that you prepare your troops in a peaceful manner to sell your agendas and make sure that wananchi are also understanding the meaning of your candidature.
Wow, all right.
Yeah, so the interest is making sure that we have development. That's all we want.
And what does Timothy Luwani stand for? What are you going to bring to the people of Zimmerman if you do get elected?
If I do get elected, we're going to do a lot of work. The first thing we need to do is we would really embrace a leadership of inclusivity,
all right,
where everyone has a voice, irrespective of where you come from, your political affiliation, or your ability. That everyone, even children, people living with disabilities, are also having a role to play in development. Yes.
All right. Earlier on, you said that, what is this that you're holding currently? He's holding a paper that he is about to sign in a short period. This paper is just to make sure that the elections in this specific primary school run peacefully. We're going to talk later on to a gentleman who will tell us why. But the paper that you're about to sign,
yes.
Could you just demonstrate that for us?
Yeah.
So,
this is a document prepared by the school management.
All right.
To ensure that the school is safe in the next 2 days, because after nominations, the next 2 days, our kids are going back to school.
Yes.
So there's no need for us to inconvenience the operations of the school.
So you're going to sign this right now?
Yeah.
All right.
We need to sign.
All right.
Yeah.
So what Timothy has just signed is that as an aspirant, he believes that on peaceful elections for the next today and tomorrow, which is the last day. But someone to give us more perspective on the issue of why it's very important for the school to do so. I am joined by the chairman of this specific school. And earlier on, you were telling me the reason why, as a school, you've decided to make sure that all aspirants are signing these documents.
Yes.
Could you tell us why?
Yes, my name is Simon Bugwa. I'm the chairman of the BUM of the Roysambu Primary School. That is why I have come, and I was called by the deputy head teacher, and then I come to look because of the ODM who are holding the election today, and that's why I have come to open, because I'm still allowed. I have come to open them for the classes and then do the exercises, and that is why the aspirant has signed the document of peace, and also to maintain the school in clean the way it is before the exercise and after the exercise.
Right.
Because we need the school, because the kids, they are opening Wednesday, which is next week, and that is why we say that each and every person, when he comes, he must maintain peace with us.
Tell our audience what happened back in 2013 and why it's very important for this school to maintain that.
That is why we have given the document, because on 2013 we have lost this school a lot of grasses. That is why we said that the BUM, the chairman of the BUM and the committee of which is running the school, we must maintain the peace, and people, they must sign that form of peace and agreement that they maintain the peace in this school, and they must put the school back as it is when they took it.
All right.
Yes.
All right. So, Michelle, you can tell that
Thank
for
you.
this specific school here at Roysambu Primary School, safety is a big issue, and all the aspirants have to sign a document of peace. Given especially what happened back in 2013, the classes were all cleared out. Of course, Simon on earlier was telling us that he just had to open the primary school, or rather the classes, as early as 8 a.m. That's when they had to open it. They are currently setting up inside there. A few voters are outside, so hopefully as the day continues, activity will pick up, Michelle.
Thank you, Zinzi.